It's Vlogmas day 22.
Hey player, what you gonna get for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Come on, come on, come on. What you gonna get for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Right now. Come on now. Say what? Yeah.
Look who in the car.
I got ran off the road. They fucked me up. But I ain't going down like that. I'm saving myself. Fuck that shit. A lot of people can't do it. I do it. She still out here.
Yeah, and we're over in the.
Yeah, we was at last night. She know them out.
Oh damn. Well, y'all, hey, go get me something to eat from Clocks. Got me a little big meal for Sunday. My Sunday meal. Check this out. Oh yeah. Man, I was so turned up last night. I'm having a mean ass hangover right now. I'm finna tear this food the hell up. My grandpa showed his ass last night at the Christmas party. Doing the most, so he is not invited to nowhere to drink with me because he can't handle his own liquor. He do too damn much. He always swallowed upon. Once he did all that, everybody was ready to go. He do too much, so he will not be able to go nowhere with me no more. Secondly, we was at the strip club and I had me a good time. I mean, I drank so much. For this next year, man, I'm about to cut down on this drinking stuff and get right because this is not life. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna eat this food. And I'll see y'all later. There ain't much to do today. Like always, it's raining outside. It's raining like crap. And I don't know what that means. Everything is shut down. But alright, y'all.
I'm supposed to be out.
I know they blocking my shit.
Get ready for work tomorrow.
You seen the other video?
Who's on? You?
Say hey, Nene. They go Chucky. They go Hoggy over there, the one that went to the Hustlers movie with me. They go Shay Shay. Y'all not sure about the camera, y'all. They go Braylon.
You can't see it. Don't do that.